Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install driver for Canon MAXIFY, and the model number is iB4120 or iB4020. So if you have one of these model number, so to install the driver, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Canon website. On the top here you can see the support option. Click on support and then select software and drivers. Now click on printers. Now click on Maxify. Now over here, if you have Maxify iB4120, select this. If you have Maxify iB4020, then click over here. So click on your model number. Now over here you can see by default it should go ahead and detect your operating system. If it's not detecting, in my case I have Windows 11, so it's not detecting. So you can click over here and you select your operating system from here. So if you have Windows 11, select Windows 11. If you have Windows 10, select Windows 10. If you have Windows 8, 8.1, select 8.1, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista. And if you have the Mac operating system, even you can select your Mac operating system. So I have Windows 11, select your operating system. And then over here, you can see the driver. So click on software, or you can just click on drivers over here. Now over here you can see iB4100 series printer driver. So you can go ahead and click on it. So click on select and then click on download. Click on keep over here and then run this exe file. Now click on yes to allow. Now click on next. Select your region and then click on next. Click on yes and let the installation complete. Now once the installation is done, you can set up your printer and then you can start using your printer. Now over here you can see three options. So if you want a wireless connection, you can select this one. If you want a LAN wired connection, you can select this one. And if you want to connect your computer via USB, so if you want a printer to be connected via USB cable, then you can go ahead and select this, and then you can set up your printer. After the setup, your printer should start working. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.